Asthma is a lung disease that makes it harder to move air in and out of your lungs. This video shows what happens when the airways, also called bronchial tubes, are exposed to environmental asthma triggers. We will use this plastic model of a bronchial tube to show the different phases of an asthma attack. On one end of the model, there is a healthy airway. This airway is free of blockages, and air can move in and out easily. When a person with asthma is exposed to an environmental trigger like dust mites, changes will occur in the airway. The model will show what happens when the person is exposed. In the second section of the model, there's a buildup of mucus in the bronchial tube, decreasing the amount of available space for air to pass. In the third section of the model, the walls are thickened and inflamed. In this fourth piece of the model, it shows that the muscles are tightening around the airway and it is nearly impossible for air to pass through, resulting in an asthma attack. Here is another example of a bronchial tube model. This model is a less expensive way to show what happens during an asthma attack, using toilet paper, glue, rubber bands, and felt cloth. One toilet paper model shows a normal bronchial tube with a thin layer of felt cloth, as the walls of the bronchial tube and rubber bands loosely fit around the tube as muscles. Plenty of air can pass through this bronchial tube. The other toilet paper model shows what is happening during an asthma attack. There is an extra felt cloth showing thickened walls of the bronchial tube. Glue is inside the tube, acting as a buildup of mucus. Extra thick rubber bands are wrapped around the tube to demonstrate how muscles constrict around the airway.